Hey guys, so there are multiple ways how you can connect your LG soundbar. I don't know if you can connect it with the Bluetooth or if you're connecting with the HDMI cable. So the first way is that you're going to have the HDMI cable. So prepare the cable, connect the cable to the TV's HDMI on your Samsung, connect to the HDMI out TV ARC port of the soundbar, and turn on the soundbar and set the source to DYN. So this is where you're going to just change the source. And then the TV sound will be played through the soundbar. Then you're just gonna also connect method 2 with the optical cable, turn on the TV and soundbar, press the source button on the soundbar and then set the soundbar to DN settings, and connect one end of digital optical cable to the optical out port on the TV, and then connect the other end to digital audio in port on the soundbar. On the TV, navigate to settings, select sound, select audio out optical. Then connect with Bluetooth. So press the source button on the soundbar and then set the soundbar to the BT settings. BT auto convinces the BT pairing in a few seconds. And when the BT ready appears, press and hold the source button on the soundbar for more than 5 seconds. And once the soundbar is in pairing mode, navigate to the settings on the TV and select the sound and then select sound output, select Bluetooth speaker list and select your soundbar from the list and then select pair and connect. And this is how you're going to have it.